Hi everyone, so in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to identify both which forehead shape you have and which blowout style is going to be the most flattering on your shape. And since I am a T3 ambassador, as I've mentioned in the past, anytime that I do a tutorial featuring one of the T3 tools, I'm able to do a giveaway for you guys for a chance for you to win the exact tool that I'm using here today. And for that today, I'm going to be using the Luxe T3 blow dryer. You guys know how absolutely in love I am with this tool. I also love the volume booster feature, which I will be using throughout this entire video because that's what we're creating. It gives you the ability to turn off the negative ions and therefore add a ton of volume and texture to the hair. It also comes with two different nozzles, and oftentimes my clients ask what the difference is. And as you can see, the opening to this one is more narrow. The air will come out more concentrated, therefore giving you a more sleek blowout if that's what you're looking for. If you're looking for a little bit less precision and just get a larger area dry at the same time, you would go with the larger nozzle. So the first step is obviously to analyze the length of the forehead, basically how tall the forehead is, in order to figure out where to add volume, where to decrease the volume in order for it to be super flattering. And basically you either have an ideal forehead, which in that case you can do whatever you want and everything will basically be flattering and look fine. But then there are the two issues where the forehead is actually really short, or the opposite, where the forehead is very long. And normally if you have a shorter forehead, that is obviously really easy to identify. Then there is the other component, which I think most people are not really aware of, and that is the protruding of the forehead. So some people will have a much flatter forehead, which means basically from the hairline to the bridge of the nose that will be straight. Whereas with my forehead, it concaves a little bit more. So I'm going to be wetting my hair in the front, and I'm going to be blow drying one side that is going to be flattering for my forehead shape. And on this side, I'm going to be blow drying my hair in a way that is not flattering to my forehead shape, but is definitely more flattering for someone that has either a shorter forehead or a more straight forehead. And I know that may sound a little confusing now, but once you see the results, you will understand why. All right, so my hair is now wet and I've separated into two sections. And like I said, for the first side, I'm going to show you what would be flattering for my face shape. So for this blowout shape, this is going to flatter someone with a taller forehead and a more protruding forehead. So the trick is to actually bring the hair forward and to add some volume around the face. So the first step is to actually separate this section of hair into two. So just like so, bringing some of this back and clipping it into place. So I'm going to start off with that first section. So I'm going to turn on my blow dryer and put it on medium heat. With T3's heat control settings, your hair stays safe with a more adjustable setting to better suit your hair type so that you get the fastest styling with the lowest heat. And there is that swoop where it's going to be really flattering and give the illusion of a smaller forehead. So for this first piece, we were blow drying towards the face and blow drying under so that you get this beautiful swoop. So the next piece, we're going to be doing the opposite. We're actually going to add a volume and bevel this one going up and then down so that we create a ton of volume and a lot of visual interest in that area. So for this side, I'm going to be showing you how to blow out your hair for someone that has a smaller, shorter forehead where you were trying to create the illusion of a longer forehead. Now I'm definitely going to stress this is not the most flattering for my face shape. So for this side, we are going to be blow drying the hair away from the face. All right, and we are done. So as you can see, a very clear difference. Also with a good blow dryer, you can always get a ton of volume exactly where you want it. And obviously I did both a little bit exaggerated, so of course you can tweak this as much as you want. And even more so, it all does come down to a matter of preference. Someone might look at my hair and think that this side looks better on me. But it's the importance of knowing that blowing out the hair in a specific angle, what that's going to do for the face. But as you can see with both exaggerations, you can definitely see how you can easily give the illusion that your forehead is a completely different face. All right guys, so I hope you learned a thing or two today and that you start incorporating some of these ideas in your next blowout. So if you're interested in getting your very own Luxe blow dryer, click the link in the description box down below to enter the giveaway, and good luck to everyone, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.